somebody under the bed, whoever can it be? I feel so very nervous, I call for Joanie. Joanie lights the candle, but there's nobody there. Hey, hi, diddly-eye, and out goes she. Skipping rope, still turning, children at their play. In and out of Clarendon Street, in and out to pray. I haven't prayed for 20 years or sung a happy song, since praying went with innocence and the devil played along. And we all went up to the Mayo. Hey there, who's your man? It's only Johnny 40 Coats, sure he's a desperate man. Bang bang shoots the buses with his golden key. Hey hi diddly-eye, and out goes she. Me father was a stater, and me mother loved to tan. She loved her ham and her sausages, and her soldier fancy man. Nora's up in Jacobs, and Mary's on the town. And I joined the Transport Union when they said me nose was brown. And we all went up to the Mayo. Hey there, who is your man? It's Alfie Burton out walking, sure he's a decent man. Bang bang shoots the buses with his golden key. Hey hi diddly-eye, and out goes she. I've a tanner for the Mayo, and me compo money's hid. If Mary's in the family way, she can blame the Cisco kid. I be langers in the morning, me longers need a patch. Oh Jesus, there's Con Martin, I hope yous win the match. Me uncle had a wolfhound that never had to pee, but Harry Lemon snatched it down on Eden Quay. Now I have me primo and me scapulars are blue, for helping the black babies and Dolly Fawcett too. And we all went up to the Mayo. Hey there, who is your man? Spending being out walking, sure he's the ginger man. Bang bang shoots the buses with his golden key. Hey hi diddly-eye, and out goes she. It's true that Dublin's changing since the pillar was blown down by the winds of violence that are buggering up the town. We used to solve a difference with a digging match and a jar, but now they're all playing bang bang, that's going too bleeding far. And we'll all go up to the Mayo. Hey there, who's your man? It's only me guardian angel, get a large one for your man. There's no use bleeding Russian, sure now it's the holy hour. A plenary indulgence and another baby power.